Welcome to life. Welcome to life. Carzy. You're Carzy. You're Carzy. You're Carzy. You're Carzy. Ooh, I see jealous signs. Let me get my salsa together again.
Drinks on me, girls on me, on the dance floor. All eyes on me. Who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me. Party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me. Yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night be. All eyes on me.
All eyes on the prize, money supersized. G5 super fly, should be supervised.
Welcome to Carter's Eat. Today, we are making Kool-Aid and pickles. Pickles, Kool-Aid, pickles, Kool-Aid pickles, Koolickles. Old tradition, something we used to do back in the day. You put your Kool-Aid and your pickles in the juice. You'll see. But if this is your first time here, I'm Lisa. Come on in. Tell a neighbor, tell a friend. Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Here on Carter's Eat. Bing! Have it on deck. This is an excellent treat for kids. You know, I've got two. AJ is 7, Blake is 4. We got my parents that live with us. I have a wonderful husband named Arthur. And happy 2020. This is what we do here at Carter's Eat. We try to make up things to do that are different to break the monotony of our dinner routines, snacks. So we're always looking for new ideas. And that's why we came to YouTube and started our channel. I've got a bowl. We've got sugar. And we got 4 packs of Kool-Aid. And then we've got some wonderful, juicy Blake's favorite, pickles. Go ahead and subscribe. We've got 1 cup of sugar. And I'll share all this with you shortly. That seems to be the theme this year, you guys. With that being said, go check out me and Blake making cotton candy pickles. And I even said it in the pickle video. We have another pickle video coming. So here it is. I'm sure we're gonna call this part 1. You can hear the kids, they're home for break. I thought they wanted to do this with me. They've stood me up. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get started. We're gonna pour all of the pickle juice, right into the container. But not the pickles. Boom, pow. Then we're going to take the cup of sugar. Stop. There's the kids. And pour it into the juices. And we're going to stir. And I know that's not going to break down enough. So for good measure, press down, shaking together, running over. What we're going to do is put it on the stove. Hold, please. We are boiling that pickle juice and sugar on the stove. So there it is, the pickle juice with I added like 1/2 cup more sugar. Just getting that sugar to melt down. I think it'll work better if the sugar's melted. So instead of me just stirring vigorously for hours. Listen, on this channel, we've got family vlogs. We've got cook with me, eat with me, and challenges. Go throughout the gamut, check them out, but be sure you subscribe. We're on the road to 4K. We may even be celebrating the 4K right now. So do your part, help me out. Subscribe today. I promise you won't be disappointed. So comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Here on Carter's Eat. Yeah! Guys, I read some of the comments and I figured out that some people do the Kool-Aid pickles with just water and Kool-Aid. You can see the steam coming off. So I did a pot right there. with just hot water, steamed on the stove, 1 cup of sugar and a little bit extra, and blue raspberry lemonade right here. 1 pickle, 2 pickle, 3 pickle, right in the water. We've got a lid. We're gonna let it refrigerate for 5 days. Then we've got our Ziploc bag. This is blue raspberry. We're gonna pour the one that's the dill pickle juice with sugar, boiled on the stove. All the sugar has been diluted. Pour a cup of that. Right into the bag. 1 pickle. 2 pickle. I gotta see how many pickles I have left. So we're gonna let that sit. Ziploc that up. Floating pickles! Slodge it around. Sugar pickle juice. Sugar pickle juice. And I love a good pickle. But these are good for fall festivals, for kids, summer activities, a snack in the bag, a little boom pow to the flavoring. Here we've got your tropical punch. I'm down to 3 pickles, y'all. Looks tasty. Slodge it around. Pink lemonade. That's it. One. Little ASMR. And we will check out these next week. And we'll open and taste them together. Here on Carter's Eat. Pickles. Kool-Aid Pickles. Kool-Aid Pickles. I'm sure y'all will tell me exactly what to call. We just called them Kool-Aid Pickles. I can't wait for the kids to taste them. Thank you, YouTube, for reminding me. Yes. Okay, you guys. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye. Thank you for coming to Carter's Eat. Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Here on Carter's Eat. Yeah. It's time to taste the Koolickles with AJ and Blake. Blake loves pickles. You guys already know that. I'm moving fast because they're in the middle of a Roblox game and they really don't want to be with me. But I can barely eat the pickles because of my acid reflux. But we made them last week. They sat in the refrigerator for 5 days, and they are pickles mixed in Kool-Aid. My kids have never had Kool-Aid, so that's going to be an exciting treat. So let's get right into it. This is the pink lemonade. There's the pink lemonade. Blake, are you even thinking about the Koolickle? The pickle? Here's Blake's Koolickle. Should I cut it?
No.
You taste it.
I'll grab mine.
I'm doing the pink lemonade first. There's the pink lemonade.
Oh, jeez.
Give me a bite and just tell folks what you think of it real quick. Do it right in the camera because you love
one taste.
Not on your pants. Sit over the paper towel. Ready? Okay.
I'm going to taste it.
Mmm.
I don't want the big one. I want the long one. Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness, that's good.
Well, it's kind of inside.
Yeah.
It's pickly, lemonade. It makes my mouth dry, wetty.
That's good.
Okay, you get the little one. We both get the little
There you
one,
go.
right?
Blake, can you eat that?
Oh my gosh, Mom.
This
I
is
want
the-
red one. I'm the green one.
This is
No.
the blue raspberry. Blue raspberry?
But you still got
Blue
the red one.
raspberry. These are the ones cooked with sugar and pickle juice. There you go, Blake.
I need a knife. Give me a knife real quick, cause I want to like
Finishing up with the Kool-Aid.
red one.
We're finishing up. This
Oh,
is the
incredible!
pickles in just water and sugar, and the pickles drop directly into it. And then I'm gonna let them taste it.
No.
AJ, you can't put your finger.
No.
There you go.
Oh, this
Blake left production.
This is gonna be so good.
Thank you, AJ.
Well, what? I just left my blankie down here. Blake, you might want to taste this.
Now Blake likes pickles
Yeah, I know.
and dip.
Just pickle. Well, Blake, this is just pickle. Yeah, it's jelly.
He likes it.
It's jelly.
Just
No, I love this one.
Kool-Aid and water is right here.
I want just the pickle.
That is bomb.
This is bomb.com.
The one made with pickle juice, blueberry raspberry, pickle juice, sugar. I'm feeling it. And thank you for coming to see our Koolickles production. But I think it was a success, and they are awesome during the summer. My kids just don't know. Thank you for coming to Carter's Eat. Don't forget, bing, bing, comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Here on Carter's Eat. Listen, look at the clouds, look at the roses, look at what God can do. If He can do it for the roses, He definitely can do it for you. Glory be to God. We'll see you on the next one.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.